Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Afaq Ahmed and my topic is History of Water and Dams in Pakistan. Water. Water is human's lifeline. As civilization from centuries lived where there is some water near, like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Dravids and even Spartan etc. up to now, because water is the sign of life and the source of life. Let's talk about water in Pakistan. According to 1951 survey, the quantity of water available for one person for a year was 5260 cubic meter. But we wasted a lot of water. And in 2005 survey, the quantity of water was dropped down to only 1000 cubic meter. As population increased, the water decreased. There is even more dangerous situation that in 2025 this drop down will be dropped to the 500 cubic meter, which is very alarming. There are 43 lakes in Pakistan. The water level of 26 of them has dropped down badly. The river of Pakistan are also drying as India stopped our water and started building dams. In 1960, there was a water deal between India and Pakistan known as Indus Water Treaty, in which there was a decision made that 3 rivers will be given to India, including the river of Ravi, the river of Sutlej and the river of Beas. But India, as usual, did not follow the deal and also stopped our water from the river of Jhelum, Neelam and the river of Chenab, which caused these rivers water level to drop. Dams in Pakistan. There are only 2 big dams in Pakistan, including Tarbela Dam and Mangla Dam, but the storage capacity of these dams has also dropped by 12%. Let's talk about some facts. How much water is being wasted in Pakistan? Water from rain, snow, glaciers and rivers goes to sea, and we do not store it in this process, hence it is wasted. Worth of this water which we are wasting every year is approximately $22 billion. If the situation remains the same and we keep wasting the water, the Pakistan could face a lot of problems, like as Pakistan is an agricultural country, Pakistan could face the problem of arid land, khushk sali, energy crisis and other problems. Why don't we store it? We can store it by making dams, but the process of making new dams is being stopped since many previous years. Let's talk about one of those dams which was meant to be made 40 years ago, the Amir Basa Dam. At first, in the era of ex-president Pervez Musharraf, this dam was meant to be made because Musharraf himself went to the location of this dam and saw that it is a naturally made dam, and we just had to put a blockage on one side and equip the system here, and the dam would have been ready. But building of this dam kept on delaying. Cost of making it in Musharraf's era was 395 billion rupees, and now its cost is almost 2250 billion rupees, and it will keep on increasing if we do not make it now. And if we make this dam, we will have a lot of benefits, like it will save over $2.216 billion per year. It will give us a great storage of water, like it can store 81 lakh acre feet. But let me tell you, it will only store 81 lakh acre feet out of 5 crore acre feet of water coming from the river, and the remaining water will be dumped into the sea, and hence it will be wasted. It will be a great source of energy, as it can produce 4500 megawatt of cheap electricity, and will be good for land and agriculture, as it will saturate the 12 lakh acre feet of land. But Pakistan enemies do not want Pakistan to make dams in Pakistan, as India wants Pakistan water reserves to be empty. India is making dam even in Afghanistan to stop water reaching from Afghanistan through the river of Kabul, but we are not making dams. India is making sure, and other enemies are making sure, that Pakistan remain underdeveloped, because if we make dams, it will be a great step in developing. Even some so-called Pakistani in Pakistan do not want dam to be made in Pakistan. Conclusion: Pakistan needs water and other resources, and dams should be made to stop water from being wasted. We should save as much water as we can. As we have a lot of resources, but we are not utilizing them, and we should utilize and even optimize them. There are rules that should be made against wasting water. Thank you.